This curd based chutney is so simple to make, and if you want to make, then watch till last. It is more flavorful when you make it at home. So simpler than you think. With this mint and crush it after washing the mint. You can enjoy this with any cutlets at your home. Now it's time for second ingredient, the coriander leaves, and wash it before crushing it and crush it and add to the grinding jar. Then we will be adding a half green chili, and then half a spoon of salt in it to provide the taste. You can add curd before or after. I am going to add it before and also after this chutney. Curd provides the creamy texture to the chutney. From curd, mint leaves, coriander leaves, salt and green chili, you can make this chutney at home tastier than the restaurant. After adding a curd, just blend it and your chutney will be ready. You can make this chutney thinner or thicker according to your choice. And I would like to thinner chutney, and now I am going to add again a few curd, and the chutney is perfect for my cutlet, and I am enjoying it with paneer tikka. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, share, subscribe if you like the video. I hope you learned a new recipe today.